No, I'd block your first punch, rendering you ineffective.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ooh, what about Dwight's dojo?
No, they just have classes.
Oh, it's free during the day. It's fine.
Look.
I got the key.
Michael.
Hey, Toby. Hey, you know what? I have an idea. Why don't you leave right now? Why don't you walk away from the room, okay? Fine. Pam, make an announcement. Figure out carpools.
We gotta eat before the drag strip. Hey man, we got Luis with us. He said no turkey legs today.
No turkey legs. We're doing tacos today.
Push them in there. Smooth them around. Beans and rice makes everything nice. Hey man, my brother.
Go ahead and try that then. Here.
Luis, you don't know nothing about this. All right, I turned him on. Just to some African stuff here.
Let's see what we got.
That's the one, ain't it? Mm-hmm. You're in trouble now, Louis. You're gonna get some weight on you. Have y'all ever heard of Shakedown Kings? These guys that only show up at the drag strip when the weather is really nice and they just make a pass, but they don't race?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Now, when you see these guys, do they sit on the light a lot, or are they sitting at the tree?
Yeah, they sitting there finishing their cheeseburger. they waiting.
Oh man. Hey guys, don't beat me up. I didn't say that. That's what the track officials said that they out there.
Yeah, you get me fired.
Oh, man. All right, guys, we're here with Galen. He's going to teach us how to read a track. So, what are you looking for when you walk in the track, Galen?
Well, mainly just depending on what car you got. Like the regular guys, the track, they're looking for more sticky. Like the shiny parts you see over there on the tracks. These are usually some pretty sticky spots. But if you're not careful, they'll get too much glue, it'll make them kind of gummy. But like the gray areas, it's still sticky, but that just lets you know what people find. There's less humidity in the glue in the gray areas. But 90% of the time you won't follow the groove. Like the track's real hot, like especially on big tire pro mod cars, we burn out wherever we burn out with the track temperature being high. Then we'll actually move completely over out of where we burn out just to try to get out of our marks because of the temperature. But anything under 120, isn't too bad.
Okay.
But anything over 120, 125, and you start getting up to 135, 140 range, man, it's hard to get a small tire car like yours, radial car. It's real hard to get it down because the glue's just not really.
So with a radial, so
saturated.
we should be looking for the shiny. So if you was to line up a radial right now, if you just walk me through it, I'm gonna have the camera on it. Where would you put it at?
You could put a radial car in the gray area in the groove because the groove is still sticky. But a radial car sometimes will burn out in the shiny track and then back up and move over to get over in the sticky part. Radial cars, actually all cars, they'll drag the glue out there. So
okay.
Sometimes it's burn out, or you see the track turn gray, they actually take it to the track. Down there it's real sticky. That's why we got to stay on the.
All right, guys. Well, that's our pro tip with Galen Smith. Thank you, Galen.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
After a clean strike to the chest, stomach, or kidneys, I will separate you and award a point. All right?
Yes, Sensei. A lot of rules. A lot of rules. On the street, we didn't have any rules. Maybe one. No kicks to the groin. Home for dinner.
Stop it! No! Come on!
Hey, y'all gotta thank these races to Vinny. Y'all gotta thank his sister McGriff. Hold on, let them race cars go. Man, I had to borrow a race jacket from this man. because I didn't have no jacket to race, they was gonna send me home. So I had to borrow a race jacket. Hey, you know I couldn't race him if I borrowed his jacket, because he definitely would have beat me with his whole jacket. Hey man, where's Charles at?
Family, man.
Where's family at?
Family, man. Yeah, Charles.
Hey, where's Charles at? Charles, come on over, man. Let me. Hey man, how you think the Soul Snatch is running? Charles, since it's been tuned, can you give everybody your assessment?
On the Diva now?
Yeah, on the Diva since it's been
Still
tuned.
taking souls. I'm just not gonna let him take my soul.
No, I can't.
Well, he already got mine. I don't even want to take. You keep mine. Because the demon is out of there. It was good.
Hey man, you make sure he washed that jacket. Because I don't want him to get my juice off of there and put it on his coat.
We gonna squeeze some souls out. We gonna squeeze that off until the intake. Then we can squeeze a 6-0 out of it. That's right.
Hey man, thanks to Big Brother for showing me how to get that trailer up and down.
Yeah.
You know, because it was giving me fits. I messed up the bottom of the car. So, yeah, I know you have, Big Brother.
Yeah.
Hey, I appreciate it, guys.
Thank you, brother.
Hey man, here go the McGriff family. There they is, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Hey man, what's the name of y'all race team?
McGriff Racing Team.
What's the name of y'all race team?
Here it is.
McGriff Racing Team. Wow, now look at the muscles on it. Camaro lives matter.
Camaro lives matter. That's in there too.
Oh, y'all cold-blooded.
All right now.
All right. Camaro lives matter. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm gonna put that in my next video. Y'all watch. I'm gonna send it to him. Mike Franks, you know him from the CTSV event, the club. So look, everybody keeps asking me about the C8, but not just about the C8. What are they going to do? Are they going to transfer that engine over to the Cadillac? So that's the question I have for you.
I don't think we'll see the LT2 and the Cadillac, but they are coming out with a Blackwing, which is an all-wheel drive twin-turbo V8.
Oh.
And we've actually got the lead engineer from GM coming to Dallas here in about 2 weeks.
Wow.
And he's going to brief everybody in the Cadillac V Club about what's coming. After the CT4, CT5V announcement, everybody was really disappointed. Little horsepower, but we know there's bigger things coming, so we're anxious to see what's going to happen. The guy's going to be here on August 20th, and he's going to fill us in on what's going to be coming in the future.
Hey, maybe I can sneak into that meeting. I don't know, but I'd love to be a fly on the wall to hear what's going to be coming for the Cadillacs. Beautiful cars, man. I always felt that they deserved more power, the same power that Chevy was putting in the car. To me, Cadillac is the top of the peak. You can't get no better than Caddy, right?
Yeah, I agree. I mean, they're luxury performance.
Yeah, luxury performance. There you go. Not like this fat pig right here I'm driving.
Yeah, I got rid of my 1,400 horsepower twin turbo V coupe and had it for 6 years, and now I've got a new 2018 CTSV.
Wow.
So it's mildly modified.
Yeah, mildly modified.
Yeah.
It's still a grocery getter, guys.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey,
right,
man,
well,
I hope
you.
to see you on the track soon.
All right, thank you.
Take care, brother.
I have been testing you the entire day. Did you know that?
Of course.
And I'm happy to say that you passed.
Michael, I don't know.
I know.
I have so much to learn from you.
Yes, you do.
Thank you. Sensei.
And ditto. Would I rather be feared or loved? Easy, both. I want people to be afraid of how much they love me. And I think I proved that today at the dojo.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.